For months, the James Webb Telescope scanned the void searching for light from the earliest stars, but then it saw something else, something moving, a faint signal from deep interstellar space. At first, scientists thought it was a glitch, a stray reflection, a cosmic ray, but the signal repeated its path too precise, its speed too unnatural. The data revealed an interstellar object not from our solar system. Its trajectory was impossible to ignore straight through the inner planets. They named it 3I Atlas, only the third confirmed interstellar visitor ever recorded. But this one was different. It wasn't just passing by. The object was moving faster than any comet ever observed, over 100,000 kilometers per hour, as if powered by something unseen. NASA redirected the Webb telescope, focusing its powerful infrared eye toward the object. The image it sent back stunned even the most seasoned astronomers. The shape wasn't natural, it reflected light in straight lines like polished metal. Some said it resembled a spacecraft, others an ancient probe. Inside NASA, debate erupted. Could this be another Oumuamua, or something completely different, a probe from another civilization? Webb detected something astonishing. The object emitted faint, rhythmic pulses of energy, not random, not natural, almost like a code. When scientists mapped the pulses, they found a repeating pattern, a signal looping every 47 minutes. Coincidence or communication? As the news leaked, the world held its breath. For the first time, humanity might be watching a message cross the stars. Across continents, scientists raced to decode it, every fluctuation, every frequency. What they found deepened the mystery even more. The signal's timing matched no known cosmic rhythm. Instead, it mirrored binary code, the universal language of intelligence. Some began to suggest a radical idea. What if the object itself was alive, a self-aware probe drifting between galaxies? Then something impossible happened. It changed direction, a deliberate turn defying all known physics of natural bodies. James Webb locked onto the object instantly. Its new path aimed directly at the inner solar system, toward us. Not a random drift, but a decision. The universe had noticed Earth. The data room erupted. Every model failed to explain the shift. Whatever controlled this object understood gravity better than we do. Enhanced images removed the blur. A long structure rotating with intention. Not ice. Not rock. Something engineered. Even stranger, thermal scans showed internal heat. Energy coming from the inside. Like engines waiting to wake up. NASA cut communication to the public. No press conferences. No explanations. Only silence, louder than any warning. The US military stepped in, treating the object as a potential threat. Humanity's first reaction to the unknown. Fear. Objects from deep space accelerate near the sun. This one did the opposite. It slowed down, as if choosing to look around. Then came the flashes. Not random like sunlight. Timed, structured. A message written in light. When decoded, the signal traced constellations. From a star group 40 light-years away. Was it showing us where it came from? Experts argued it wasn't a ship, but an ancient autonomous probe. A messenger, built by a civilization we've never met. World leaders gathered behind closed doors. One question echoed through the chambers. What does it want with Earth? The visitor passed Jupiter like a silent predator. No exhaust. No propulsion. Just unstoppable momentum. A circular aperture opened. Like an eye waking from eons of sleep. It scanned the solar system and locked onto Earth. Synchronized radio bursts hit every major observatory. The message was clear. It wanted to speak to someone. The pulses changed into numbers. A countdown. No instructions. Only time running out. Across the world, panic spread like fire. Were we being tested? Judged? Or chosen? Audio filters uncovered something chilling. The signal carried a low, artificial tone. Almost like a voice whispering. Speech patterns emerged. Alien intelligent. And suddenly understandable. The voice spoke through code. We observe. Humanity's first message from the stars was a warning. The probe wasn't alone. It was one of thousands, scattered across the galaxy, watching civilizations rise and fall. It came because we finally became loud enough. Radio waves, rockets, megacities. Earth is no longer invisible. One last message fired like a beam of truth. A location, far beyond our reach. It pointed to a star system, 40 light-years away, with a planet that looks very, very familiar. A world with oceans, continents, and lights where cities might be. We are not alone, and never were. With its mission complete, the probe vanished into the dark, back to wherever it came from. Humanity now faces a single question. Do we follow the signal,